Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 100% is one full whole worksheets. So this video presents just a few slides to give us some exercises to show that 100% is the full amount that we're talking about. Answer each of the following. Sam scored 72% in his test. What percentage did he get wrong? Bill scored 84% in his test. What percentage did he get wrong? The students in a class played tennis, golf and hockey. If 29% played tennis and 43% played golf, what percentage played hockey? In a class, 34% of the students owned cats and 47% owned dogs. What percentage of students owned neither animal? John scored the following marks in 4 exams. There are the 4 marks. What was the average percentage scored in each exam, and what was the average percentage lost in each exam? In a class, 49% of the students are boys. What percentage are not boys? John had 40 marbles and he gave 30% of them to his friend. What percentage does he have left? How many marbles did he give away? Answer each of the following. What percentage is shaded in each of the following diagrams? What percentage is unshaded? So basically, as you tackle each of these, just count all the small squares first, because you need the total number of small squares, and then you're able to answer the question. It's the same for this one, but you'll notice that the total number of small squares is actually not 100, it's less than 100. So whatever fraction you get as the shaded section, you have to change that with the denominator of 100. And that way the answer will be the numerator, and that will be the percentage. But you need to change the fraction so that the denominator is 100. When you do that, the answer up here will be the percentage. So that'll be the percentage that's shaded, and then you can work out the percentage that's unshaded. The same here. The small squares that do not total 100, and the same here. So the secret is whatever fraction you get, for example, for the shaded section, try and change that fraction to arrive at an equivalent fraction where the denominator is 100. Now, if you have a few difficulties in doing these exercises, there is a lesson on these exercises. We presented a lesson earlier, and the lesson is contained on the next slide. So when you get to the next slide, just click on the link. That'll take you to the lesson, and it will explain how to do all the exercises. So basically the video has presented a few slides with some exercises showing us that 100% is the full amount that we are considering.